Another 2 Squishmallows has arrived again. Sorry everybody, I'm at work. My mom's work. But anyways, we're gonna open it. Let's start with the white box. I also got it on eBay too. Even though I don't have a tripod, but I can use this instead. We gotta do it quickly because we're about to be finished. Oh, so hard to open. I need to think of something, but it's kind of hard. Alright, here's the receipt. I'm not going to show it due to privacy reasons. Go. He is from the United States, which is inspired by the American bald eagle, which is a coach from this Squishmallow. Alright, this is Clutch. This is the team. Well, Clutch is a player, a coach. The coach team from the FIFA, I think. Alright, let's open it. It doesn't have a number, but he is actually like a coach. Just like gym teachers at school. Well, it actually has a number on it, which is number 10. Well, in the front that they don't. Awesome. Alright, before we open the next one, before you open Monty, the Monty is the white box. Right, Elinor? Yes. Alright, what do you think about this toy? Awesome. Alright, 4, 3, yes, and Pinkie Pie. Yeah, yes, it was awesome. Alright, now we're gonna open the white box next.